As you can tell, I'm in the kitchen. So I'm going to be showing you how to properly cook your pizza rolls. Here is what you will need to properly cook your pizza rolls. So you will need your pizza rolls and a plate, a clean plate. Sorry if this one's dirty, I'm just showing you. And you will need to put your pizza rolls into the microwave oven and put them on for 2-3-0 and hit start. And they will cook, they will cook, they will cook. So our pizza rolls are done. I'm going to go ahead and get the pizza rolls out of the microwave. Now it's time for the taste test with pizza rolls to see if they're done. This is how your pizza rolls should look when they're completely done. If they don't look like that, and they look like if they don't look like this, they look like this, they're not done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please do not forget to thumbs up this video if you thought this was helpful to you in any way, shape, or form. And please do not forget to subscribe down below. And same as usual, same as always, and forever. I love you all, and bye.